dear students. Welcome in the success orientation. Today I am going to start class 10th chapter similar triangles and theorem basic proportionality theorem. If you like this video, subscribe my channel and like this. Today we are going to start a basic proportionality theorem, which is very important. You have to learn. We can say this is BPG also, and in the paper sometime it come, you have to write on the statement. So for that you have to learn the statement also. BPT theorem is given by a mathematician Thales. That's why we called it as Thales theorem. BPT, basic proportionality theorem, given by mathematician Thales. That's why this is known as Thales theorem. Now come to the statement part. Now what's a statement? If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, so you have to draw a triangle first, and you have to draw a line which is parallel to one of the side of the triangle. Here I am having a triangle ABC and a line DE which is parallel to one of the side of a triangle. DE is parallel to BC. The other side in distinct point. Distinct means touches on two different points, are divided into same ratio. We can say that in same proportion. Now what is the meaning of same proportion? Means when AB and AC divided by a line DE, then the ratio should be equal. AD upon DB is equal to AE upon AC. The same we have to prove. Now firstly I am going to write given. Triangle ABC in which DE parallel to BC. To prove, what we have to prove, the ratio should be same. AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. This we have to prove. For proving it, we have to need some construction. Join B with E, C with D. Write the same. Join CD, BE, and from E vertex draw a perpendicular on line AB. Now from E vertex I have drawn a line EL which is perpendicular on AB. This is a sign of perpendicular, means 90 degree. And from D vertex draw DM which is perpendicular on AC. DM is perpendicular on AC and EL is perpendicular on AB. So if we tell that EL is perpendicular on AB, it means EL is perpendicular on all the parts on AD or DB. Now we have to start the proof. For proof, what we have to apply, we should know what is area of a triangle. If we know a height, we can apply formula half base into height. Now we have to divide area of a triangle ADE divided by area of triangle on the same side base, and on the same side base there is a triangle DBE. Why I choose the same side? Because I want AD upon DB. If AD is the base, so there is a height EL, and if DB I have taken as a base, the height is same, that is EL. Area of triangle ADE and area of triangle DBE, I have to divide it. Half ADE, I want AD upon DB, so I have chosen AD as base. Already I told you, if EL is a height of AB, EL is perpendicular on AB, which means EL is perpendicular on AD as well as DB. Half AD into perpendicular, that is EL, upon half base is DB. Height will remain same. From the E vertex, the height is outside. Why it is height outside? In lower classes, in 7th class, you all have studied, whenever there is an acute triangle, the height lie inside, but if the triangle is obtuse, the height of from vertex lie it outside. So that's why the height of this triangle, this is an obtuse angle triangle DEB, the height lie outside. Half EL cancel. Now what is left? AD upon DB. In the same way, you have to take other two triangle and divide it, but the numerator triangle will remain same. Now area of triangle ADE upon area of which triangle, how you have to choose? You have to look at the 2 proof. In 2 proof, we want AE upon EC. Now how can we get AE? If I want AE, it means my perpendicular is DM. From D, DM is perpendicular on the side AC. DM is perpendicular of AE. DM is perpendicular of EC. So we have to choose two triangle. One is ADE, second is DEC. Half base into height. Now the height is DM. Half base into height, perpendicular, half, and these two cancel. What is left? AE upon EC. Now see, ADE both are same. Numerators are same in these two equations. Now let us check the denominator. There are two triangles. One is triangle DBE and the second is area of triangle DEC, and I have written both the areas are same. Why it is so? We have done in 9th class, whenever there are two triangles lie on the same base and between the same parallel lines, the areas of that two triangles remain same. Now there are two triangles DBE and DEC. If there are two triangles DBE and DEC, both lie on the same base DE, as well as both lie in between two parallel lines. It means area of these two triangles are same. Why? Because triangles lie on same base DE and between same parallel lines. So this is your third equation. Now let us compare first, second and third. When we compare first, second and third, our numerator in first and second already same, but the denominators are different. But when we see the third equation, our denominators are same. DBE is equal to DEC. It means in place of DBE, you can write DEC. So if left hand sides are same, we can say the right hand sides are also same. It means after comparing, we can say AD upon DB, this ratio is equal to AE upon EC. And the same you have to prove, hence proved. Hope you like this video. Please like this video and subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot.